Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix hard drive access denied or hard disk is not accessible. Right-click Drive, click Properties. Click Security tab. Click Advanced. Click Change. Type Authenticated Users. Click Check Name and press OK. Click Apply. Security messages says, you will need to close and reopen object properties. Right-click, click Properties. Select Security tab. Click Edit. Click Add. Type System, click Check Name. Click OK. Select All to full control. Click Apply. Simply click OK to continue. Click Add. Type Administrator, click Check Name. Click OK. Select All full control. Click Apply. Simply click OK. Click Cancel and exit. Right-click, click Properties. Click Security tab. Click Edit. Click Add. Type Trusted Installer, click Check Name. Click OK. Give full rights. Click Apply, OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.